Sairam students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn history, 6th chapter, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, part 2. Before that, let's take a short recap what we have done in our previous session. We have learned Janapadas and today we are going to see Mahajanapadas. So, from the literature of the period, it is clear that up to the 16th century BCE, 16 Mahajanpadas had acquired special importance, but Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti, Magadha, among them became more powerful. Okay, so the next is Kosala. The Kosala Mahajanapada was located in the foothills of the Himalayas in the region of Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. The famous cities of Kosala were Shravasti, Kushavati and Saket. So the students, the famous cities of Kosala were Shravasti, Kushavati and Saket, and it was located in the foothills of the Himalayas in the region of Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. Okay, now the next. Shravasti was the capital of Kosala. Gautama Buddha had lived in the famous Vihara Jetwan at Shravasti for a long time. This means, students, the capital of Kosala was Shravasti and Gautama Buddha had lived for a long time at Shravasti in the famous Vihara Jetwan. Okay. Now the next. The Kosala king Prasenajit was the contemporary of the Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Later, the state of Kosala merged with Magadha. This means, students, the Kosala king Prasenajit was the contemporary, means same as, or you can say in Hindi, Samakalin Vyakti of Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir, and later the state of Kosala merged with Magadha. Okay, now the next, Vatsa. The Mahajanpada Vatsa was located in the region around Prayag, that is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Kosam, the capital of Vatsa, was the ancient city of Kausambi. This means, students, Vatsa was located in the region around Prayag, that is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of Vatsa was Kosam, the ancient city of Kausambi. Next, it was an important center for trade. Three extremely rich merchants of Kausambi had built three viharas for Gautama Buddha and his followers. This means three extremely rich merchants of Kausambi had built three viharas. Viharas means Buddhist temples for Gautama Buddha and his followers. Okay. And Vatsa was an important center for trade. Okay, now the next. King Udayana was a contemporary of Gautama Buddha. After King Udayana, the state of Vatsa could not maintain its independent existence for long. The king of Avanti, Mahajanapada, conquered the state. This means, students, King Udayana was contemporary, means same as or Samakalin Vyakti of Gautam Buddha, And after Udayana, the state Vatsa could not maintain its independent existence for long. So, the king of Avanti, means Mahajanpada, conquered the state. Okay. Now the next, the ancient kingdom of Avanti was located in the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Ujjaini or Ujjain was its capital. The city was an important trade center. Okay, this means the ancient kingdom of Avanti was located in the Malwa region of the Madhya Pradesh, and Ujjain or Ujjaini was its capital and was an important trade center. Okay. Now the next, the king of Avanti, Pradyot, was a contemporary of Gautama Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the reign of King Nandivardhan, the state of Avanti was merged into the Magadha Empire. This means, students, Pradyot, the king of Avanti and was a contemporary, means same as Samakalin Vyakti of Gautama Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the rule of King Nandivardhan, the state of Avanti was merged into the Magadha Empire. Okay. Now the next is Magadha. The ancient Mahajanpada of Magadha was spread through the regions of Gaya, Patna in Bihar and some regions in Bengal. The capital of Magadha was Rajgriha or Rajgir. Okay, this means Magadha was spread through the regions of Gaya, Patna in Bihar and some regions in Bengal. And Rajgriha, or you can say Rajgir, was the capital of Magadha, the ancient Mahajanpada. Okay, now the next. King Bimbisara's palace was built by the architect Mahagovind. Jivika, the famous physician, was at the court of Bimbisara. Bimbisara had become a follower of Gautama Buddha. This means, students, the architect Mahagovind built the palace of King Bimbisara, and the famous physician was Jivika and was at the court of Bimbisara and had become follower of Gautama Buddha. Okay. Next, rise of Magadha Empire. Ajatashatru, the son of Bimbisara, continued with the policy of expansion of then Magadha Empire. He successfully conquered many republics of the east. This means, students, Ajatashatru successfully conquered many republics of the east and was the son of Bimbisara, who continued with the policy of expansion of then Magadha Empire. Okay. Now the next. The kingdom of Magadha prospered during the reign of Ajatashatru. He had become a follower of Gautama Buddha. This means, students, Ajatashatru had become a follower of Gautama Buddha and his kingdom of Magadha prospered during his rules. Okay. Next, what is this? This is a picture of Ajatashatru sculpture. Okay. After the Mahaparinirvana of Gautama Buddha, it was during his reign that the first Buddhist council or Sangiti was held at Rajgriha. This means, students, first let me tell the meaning of nirvana. Nirvana means moksha. Okay. Now parinirvana means in Buddhism, parinirvana in Sanskrit and Pali is commonly used to refer to nirvana means after death, which occurs upon the death of the someone who has attained nirvana during his or her lifetime. Okay. Now this means it was during his rule that the first Buddhist council or Sangiti was held at Rajgriha after the Mahaparinirvana of Gautama Buddha. Okay. Now the next, the founder for the new capital, Patligram of Magadha, was laid during Ajatashatru's period. Later, it became famous as Patliputra. This means, students, Patligram of Magadha was laid during Ajatashatru's period and it became famous as Patliputra. Okay. Now the next point, Patliputra was probably in the vicinity of today's Patna city. A noteworthy successor of Ajatashatru was the Magadha king Shishunag. This means, students, Patliputra was no doubt in the area near of today's Patna city, and the Magadha king Shishunag was the noticeable successor of Ajatashatru. Okay. Now the next, he annexed the kingdoms of Avanti, Kosala and Vatsa to Magadha. Nearly the entire region of northern India came under the control of Magadha. That was how the Magadha Empire took shape. So this means he took over the kingdoms of Avanti, Kosala and Vatsa into Magadha, and nearly the entire region of northern India came under the control of Magadha. So that was how the Magadha Empire took shape. Okay. Now the next is the Nanda kings of Magadha. Nandas ruled the Magadha Empire between 364 BCE and 324 BCE. They had set up a good administrative system necessary to run the huge empire. This means, students, between 364 BCE and 324 BCE, Nandas ruled the Magadha Empire and had set up a good administrative system necessary to run the huge empire. Okay. Now the next, they had a huge 4-column army of infantry, cavalry, chariots and elephants. The Nandas introduced the system of standard weights and measures. This means, students, the Nandas also introduced the system of standard weight and measures and had a huge 4-column army of infantry, cavalry, chariots and elephants. Okay. Now the next, King Dhanananda was the last king of the Nanda dynasty. By this time, the Magadha Empire had extended up to the Punjab in the west. So now the Magadha Empire had extended up to the Punjab in the west, and King Dhanananda was the last king of the Nanda dynasty. Next, however, during Dhanananda's reign, the ambitious youth Chandragupta Maurya 1. Patliputra ended the Nanda regime and laid the foundation of the Maurya Empire. This means, students, so during Dhanananda's rule, the ambitious youth Chandragupta Maurya won Patliputra and ended the Nanda rule and laid the foundation of Maurya Empire. Okay. Now the next, students, what we have learned? We have learned today Mahajana Padas, Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti, Magadha, rise of the Magadha Empire, and the Nanda kings of Magadha. Okay, and now we are going to do the activity. Fill in the blanks. Dash was the capital of Kosala, and the answer is Shravasti. Very good. Now the next. The king of Dash, Mahajanapada, conquered the state. What will be the answer? Avanti. Very good. So that's all for today. Sai Ram. Thank you.